Barbara, I'm a part of this. I need the answers Bruce can't give me. I deserve them.
I thought talking about it would get easier over time, but some hurts never go away. Dick Grayson, Nightwing, had left to establish himself in another city. There were 3 of us then, Bruce, myself, and Robin, Tim Drake. Robin was out alone that night when he came upon a woman in trouble.
Help! Help! Somebody please help!
Hero time! That evens things up a little.
Not really, bird boy.
A bird in the hand.
We soon realized Tim was missing. Night after night, we scoured the city, running down every lead, pressing every underworld connection. But no one had seen any sign of Robin. For 3 agonizing weeks, there was nothing. Then one night, we were sent an invitation. The asylum had been moved to a newer high-security building. The old building had been partially demolished and hung open like a rotting wound.
Hello there. Welcome to our happy home.
Where's Robin?
Robin? There's no Robin here.
Maybe he means our little Jay.
Of course! That's it!
No peeking. Mommy's little helper.
You know, Bats, we've been doing this little runaround of ours for years. It's been loads of laughs. But the sad fact is, none of us are getting any younger.
That old clock's a-ticking.
Quite right, Pooh. And Harley and I were thinking it was time to start a family. Add a Joker Jr. to our merry brood.
But rather than go through all the joy of childbirth, we decided to adopt.
We couldn't do it legally, but then we remembered you always had a few spare kids hanging around. So we borrowed one.
No.
My God.
He needed a little molding, of course. What kid doesn't? But in time, we came to love him as our own. Say hello, JJ.